Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to import your own assets into Unity and showing some basic setup for basic movement for a character that you import. So the first thing you want to start off is creating a folder. You want to create a folder in your assets folder simply by right-clicking assets, create folder. So I've created a folder called week 1 setup. Inside that I created sprites. Inside that I split off my characters in environment. So let's import an environment first. You can simply drag and drop your tile map or whatever you're importing, whatever sprite you want to use, into this area here. This defines the items in the folder that you have created. So I'm going to drag and drop my tile map. Now, for now, I'll just drag my tile map like so, and by clicking this, or R, I can scale it just by clicking and holding, like that. Next, I'll go back to sprites and into characters, and I'll import my character sheet, just like we did with the environment. So there it is, character 1. If I drag and drop this, you'll see it's very small and it's multiple characters. You only want one. So let's delete this for now. What you want to do is click on your character, go to sprite mode, click multiple, sprite editor, you can hit apply, and click slice, keep the settings on its default, and then slice again. And you'll see that separates your character sheet into multiple sprites. Hit apply. Now, if you click this drop down menu here, you can see your character now has multiple sprites within it. So let's drag a random one inside here. You'll see it's very small. So you want to go to your original sprite character sheet and make the pixels per unit, let's say 16. So you can do this or scale it manually with the R tool, the scale tool. You can see it's very pixelated. If you are using pixel art, you want to go to the character sheet again and go to filter mode, point. This will make it look like ordinary pixel art. So next we're gonna add some basic movement for the character. To do that, you'll want to click on your character, which we can rename to say player character. There we go. You'll want to click on that and click add component, new script. We can name this script basic movement. Okay, there we go. You will want to click on these 3 dots and edit the script. So I have a script ready. In the start, we'll put nothing in there for now. In the class, however, we'll add a variable that has a property called serialize field that'll reveal the variable to the editor. So we'll have speed, and then update, we'll have movement vector and multiply that by the delta time so it moves independent of your frames per second, and you'll want to use this function, translate. So let's go back into Unity. If we hit play and use WASD, you'll see your character now has basic movement. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you for your time. Goodbye.